Hey everybody, today is the 31st of July, which means it is my Sainsburys food haul for the month of August. Yes, you're right, I do this every month. And basically all I'm going to do is show you what I spent my money on and what I'm going to be eating this month from Sainsburys. Now, for those of you that don't know, I work full time, I don't drive, and although I live in a city, I do work late into the evening, so sometimes it's just easier for me to go to my freezer, grab a quick meal and eat something quick. I do a little bit of cooking, but not very much, so most of what I get is kind of like basically what is on offer, what the best deals are, and I usually spend between £100 and £140 per month on food for me and my partner, who also works full time, to eat, basically, for when we get home, when we want something to eat. I do buy like fruit and veg and stuff like throughout the month and top it up occasionally with the odd thing that I fancy, but these are kind of like my core stuff that I get. So I'm just going to grab my thing. So I just had my food delivered and it came to this month £122.23. I did have some voucher codes, and if you, I don't know if you know this, but you can get free food from Sainsburys. So if you go onto their website and there's an option that says Discover, click on Discover and go down to the option where it says free try new products and samples. If you click on there, like, you actually can get some like really cool free stuff, and it changes like every month or every couple of weeks, and yeah, I usually can get about between £6 and £7 worth of free shopping using the codes that are in there, but you just never know exactly what you're going to get, and some months there's nothing, but some months you get some good stuff. So this month I did get some free Sun Bites, and I was meant to get some free innocent almond milk, which looked amazing. That unfortunately was out of stock, so I didn't get that. Sad. I also ordered some raspberries, some popcorn, and some turkey escallops and some salad dressing. All those were out of stock as well. So I did have, let's have a look, about 6 or 7 items that were missing from my order this month. A couple of things that they had to send me less quantities of. But yeah, let's dive right in. I do have some other stuff this month that I've never tried before, so I'm super excited. So starting with the naughty naughties, I have some strawberry and jam cream donuts. They look very, very nice. They are going to be for dessert this evening. And oh my gosh, if you have not tried these, you need to. Haagen-Dazs mango and raspberry. They are friggin' amazing. They are like the yummiest things I've ever put in my mouth. Yeah, definitely worth trying. Okay, so I have some onions, some peppers and some baking potatoes, so I can do jacket potatoes. I got some croutons this month, some sea salt and crushed black pepper croutons. Some, can't believe it's not butter. Then I got some like extra kind of salady bits. I've got some Philadelphia. I've got some beetroot. That one there. Some Moroccan couscous. This is like my fave. I love this Moroccan couscous. That's really yummy, yummy, yummy. Some deli style coleslaw and some potato salad. Some basic cheese. I only got 1 block this month. I was good. Some garlic baguettes and some deli wraps. Got some huge looking spring onions, they look massive, and some courgettes. Okay, moving on to stuff that's going in my freezer, or like main food stuff. So I got some, what have we got here? Bird's Eye original crispy char grills and 2 boxes of the crispy chickens. Then I got some light spicy fries, some light spicy wedges, some honey glazed parsnips. I really love these. They are incredibly naughty because they are really fattening, but they are really nice. Got some vegetables, some stir-fried vegetables. They work really well with rice, and some garden peas. 2 bento's pies. I've got a very good looking lasagna. That was actually on offer this month, so that's like basically 2 singles in one, and it was slightly reduced, so that was cool. Got these look nice. Mint glazed New Zealand, there we go, mint glazed New Zealand lamb rump steaks. They look very yummy. I'm not quite sure when we're going to eat them, but they look very good. And some basic bacon, just to mix in with bits and pieces. I then have some 2 chicken lasagnas, 2 ham and mushroom tortellini, some samosas. I've got some mince, because I fancied making some spag bowl. Chicken and bacon pasta bake, and spaghetti carbonara. So a couple of few things there that I've never tried. Aunt Bessie toad in the hole. I've got 4 chicken korma with rice, so that's for 2 nights. 3 of the double pepperoni pizzas. These are the new boxes, and I am just loving them. They are well yummy, yummy, yummy. Got some crumpets. Love a good crumpet. Got a couple of days off this week, so I thought some crumpets would be a nice little snack. Oh, these are nice. These are some pan au lait brioche buns. I actually got these in my deguster box, and I've gone on to buy some more because I really liked them for sausages. So I got some bread, some Hovis, some basic eggs, Red Label tea bags. I got some more of my Nescafe vanilla. Some, oh, this, look, this was on offer. Pomegranate and elderflower sparkling press. That looks really nice. They're my free sun bites I got, 6-pack. Big thing of Cocoa Pops, peanut butter, bolognese sauce. Oh, these look cute. Look at these unicorn slices. So they are just like angel cakes, but unicorn. Some noodles, some pasta sauce, some baked beans, basic chocolate, basic milk chocolate, some rice, bin bags, cherry blossom washing up liquid, that's my favourite, anti-back wipes, some toilet rolls, paracetamol, because a girl needs paracetamol in her life, some Flash Ultra magic erasers. I get these to clean my bath, and they are amazing at cleaning your bath. They literally take everything off. They are fantastic. I also got these look quite cool. They're kind of like a bit of an experiment, but they're cold infused twinings, and this is watermelon, strawberry and mint, and I just thought in a nice water bottle or a jug of water they would be quite nice. Now I've got a little bit of story about my basmati rice, because I did have another one, however here it is. I want to keep it kind of separate from the rest of my food. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, it's been a bit gouged, and if you look at the rice underneath, it's gone orange. So that is going straight in the bin, because if I ate that, I would probably get incredibly poorly. Salmonella and all that jazz. So yes, so that is my food shop for the month. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. Lots and lots and lots of goodies. Lots of goodies this month. Lots of nice things to eat and try. But you can kind of see that I'm trying to try some new things, trying different things, and yeah, seeing where that takes me. So yeah, guys, let's go back over here. So guys, that was my Sainsbury's food haul for the month of August. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm going to be eating. Obviously, like I said, you know, if I had the choice, I probably would do a lot more cooking, but I do work and I just need convenience. That is just my lifestyle. However, Yeah, let me know if you've tried any of these things, what sort of foods you eat when you're at home. But yeah, I've got some interesting things to try this month that I've not tried before, so yes, I'm very happy with my order. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos, and I will see you all next time. Take care. Bye.